In today's video, we will discuss how to take a left turn under the bridge. This is a place where many students get confused, make mistakes, and fail their road test. Please note that these videos are only for your information and to improve your knowledge of the road. You must practice with your driving school instructor during your road practice classes and always follow their instructions. As we need to take a left turn, first pay attention to the signboard and the road markings. As you can see on the signboard, this lane is for going straight, and this lane is for taking a left turn. Now look at the road markings. You can see that this lane is for going straight and taking a left turn. This lane is only for taking a left turn. As we move forward, you can see the road markings more clearly. This lane is for going straight. This lane is for going straight and taking a left turn. This lane is only for taking a left turn. And this lane is for taking a left turn and making a U-turn. If you are a student, it is better to choose this lane for the U-turn. For a left turn, you can choose either of these two lanes. However, if you are a student, it's recommend choose this lane because it is easier to follow. Your instructor will guide you during your practice sessions. You can also see the U-turn board here. This car needs to go straight, so it changes to the correct lane. Pay close attention to these road markings. As we move forward, this car is making a U-turn. This car is going straight. These two cars are in the same lane. However, the front car is taking a left turn, while the second car is going straight. If you choose this lane during your road test, this is an example of how vehicles may move around you. As we continue, this is the point where many students get confused, make mistakes, and fail their road test. This is your lane, and you need to pay attention to these dotted lane markings. These are the dotted lines you should follow. Do not drive over these dotted lines because they mark the boundaries of your lane. Always keep your car in the center of your lane. If you're not sure how to keep your car in the center of the lane, watch this video. Now, if you are in this lane, keep focusing on these dotted lines. Keep moving to the left while following the dotted lines. As you can see, if you follow these dotted lane markings, it becomes much easier to stay in your lane. Now look at this car. There are no dotted lines on its right side, so the chances of making a mistake are lower. That's why this lane is usually easier for students during the road test. At this point, there are vehicles on both sides of you, and your car must stay exactly in the center of the lane. Many beginners make mistakes here. They move to the left or the right side. Make sure you practice this situation with your instructor during your road practice sessions. Let's look at it one more time. Watch how the car follows the dotted lane markings and stays in the center of the lane throughout the turn. Make sure you understand all of these points during your road practice sessions. If you are a student taking road practice classes, pay close attention to these points and practice them with your instructor. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos.